Assalamu alaikum. Can women study with men in same place? I mean co-education. As far as women studying in the same university or same college, as long as the hijab is mentioned, there is no problem. But if you are saying co-education means they are studying in the same class and sitting next to each other, this is not correct in Islam. Because in Islam there is hijab. So the best thing for education is that if they are very young, maybe in the nursery or junior KG or senior KG or first standard or second standard, till the woman and boy becomes an adult. If below the age of 8, if they sit in the same class, there is no objection. But I personally prefer that the segregation is much earlier. Maybe nursery, no problem. Junior KG, no problem. But once they reach first standard, second standard, they should be segregated. But Islamically, till they become matured, till they reach puberty, below the age of 9, there is no problem. They can intermingle, it's permitted. But I prefer at early age. But regarding adults, whether in the secondary school or whether in colleges, can men and women be present in the same class and can they be educated? It is not permitted in the Sharia for the intermingling of the male and female. And now this I've given the talk. I've even handled the question and session. That when there was a survey done in UK, that which get better results, the co-ed schools or single-sex schools. The survey said that the results of the single-sex schools were far superior than schools which had girls and boys together. And the reason was that many a times the students were trying to impress the opposite sex than to pay attention on the studies. The girl will try to impress the boys in the class. The boys will start and try and impress the girls in the class. So the concentration level normally is less in a co-ed school as compared to a single-sex school. And Islamically also the hijab is there. Islam doesn't agree in intermingling. If you have intermingling of sexes in co-education, besides the level of education coming down, even Islam doesn't permit it because there is segregation. And the hijab is there and it should be maintained. Besides the dress, even intermingling should be prevented and Islam doesn't permit it. Hope that answers the question.